of Brewers, the home of homebrew. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
G'day guys, welcome back to the channel down here at League of Brewers, and I've got some exciting stuff here from Still Spirits that I would like to talk about today. So yeah, we're in the 1st of July here, so it's pretty cold, so I'm rugged up here with a hoodie and everything. But anyway, Still Spirits have released some really cool stuff here. It's part of their Create range. You might have seen the T500 Pro and some of their other changes that they've done using tri-clamp fittings. This, however, is quite an advanced product. They basically released everything so you can make your own still. So let's do some unboxing here. So what have we got here? I've got a Create Thermowell elbow section. I've got a vented collection cup. I have got an elbow. I have got a straight section. And the real exciting piece is the multi condenser here. So let's get this open and see what we've got. All right, so here we've got a wow, look at that. That looks like a shotgun condenser to me. They've called it a multi-tube condenser. You could call it a defleg motor, but other people call it a shotgun condenser. So that's looking really sexy. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? So that's one piece there. And what else does it come with? Oh, it comes with tri-clamp fitting, tri-clamp, some barbed hose fittings to connect your water, and a gasket. So that's our first piece, and then here we've got a what have we got? The vented cup. Wow, this stuff looks amazing. Look at that. Look how beautifully made that is. So it's a vented cup. That obviously goes on the output of the condenser, or the modular still that you put together. So there is a vented cup there. We've got another clamp and a gasket. What have we got here? Now that's the straight section, so that's just a straight tri-clamp section there, tube. Another tri-clamp, some gaskets. I think I'm going to have to put all this together in a second. Got a 90-degree elbow there. So this is all 2-inch, so everything's modular here. It can be put together, taken apart, put back together again, and you can set it up how you like. So this is a Thermowell elbow section. I'm guessing this is where the thermometer probe would go on the upper side of the condenser. So yeah, let's get it all together, shall we? I'll assemble this and see what it looks like. So we've got our elbow with a Thermowell. That would go on top, I'm guessing, where the above the condenser here, like that. So we've got water in, water out, or vice versa, depending on how you set it up. we've got our extension tube here. I'm guessing that's going to go on the bottom. It's quite a short tube, but
in there?
it's wrapped in plastic.
Oh.
This one, yeah. So let's get it out of the plastic.
Oh.
Anyway, that's there. So we've got our. There's basically a straight through section like that. You could pack that out with condenser mesh or saddles or whatever you're using. So that goes like that. It's quite a short section, this one. Maybe it's 200, 300 mil. So you could put a couple on if you wanted to get some serious reflux action. You could join a couple of those together, or you could incorporate a bubble plate or sight glass to get this longer. You could even use the T500 Pro main condenser tube as your main tube, so that would work as well. So we've got another elbow here. I'm guessing that's going to go on the upper side of the first elbow with the thermometer. Now, this is pretty exciting stuff. They've really moved into the 21st century of distilling. So yeah, all these parts have just arrived, folks, so they are available on our website. As separate items, but if you need a hand with what to get or how to put it all together, you can just let me know. Look at that. It's starting to take shape here. What I would probably do in this instance is I'd add another shotgun condenser to this part here, and then underneath that would be your collection cup, which would sit there like that. But basically you have a reflux condenser as it is set up here, quite a short one. You could make it a lot longer than this by extending it. You could also use this section, the condenser here, on top of an alembic style pot still, so you could use it for both. So just imagine we have another one of these on this side underneath, and then the collection cup sits underneath, and then we have our completed multi-tube condenser set up.
Hey Dan, I got at home. I got a whole bottle of Fines sitting. Should we use this still and test it out?
I reckon
it looks nice.
It does.
But does it distill nice?
I think we should put it to the test, man.
I think we should.
What do you reckon?
Whole bottle of ugly Fines.
Feints, man. Bring it on. Okay.
All right. Okay.
That would be a good test for this guy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
A really good test to see how well we can strip out some neutral alcohol out of some really crappy alcohol.
Yeah.
So cool. Yeah, look at that, guys. Wow. So yeah, that is still spirits pushing the boundaries here, guys. Look at that.
Look at that.
Hey?
Still the finest. It's like the hook from Maui.
Yeah, dude, man, you could catch a big fish on that. Hey, yeah, I'm going to do another video with this, and we're going to strip out some feints, Ben.
Yeah.
You can bring those along.
Cool.
So looking forward to getting this guy hooked up. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Do feel free to get in touch if you need any advice on how to put something like this together. But the proof will be in the distillation, so stay tuned for a video where we're going to put this guy to the test. All right, thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.